Hello. Welcome to this new AI video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to create social media content using AI. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube video using Adobe Express. So let's start the video. To go to Adobe Express, click on the description link. Okay, now we are on Adobe Express website. Click on the sign up button and create your account. Okay, now we have logged in. We have our Adobe Express dashboard. Here you can see we have different categories for creating our content. To create a YouTube video, by clicking on video icon. Here you can see YouTube video template. You can create using your own or start by using a template. I will create using blank template. Click on create from scratch. Here we have different tools for creating our video. Part 1. Creating your video background. Click on the media button. You can choose from templates and upload your own. But I am going to make our own. Click on text to image. And choose landscape size. Enter your image text. Choose your content type here. You can choose multiple types here. Then click generate. Okay, our background is ready. Part 2. Add your video scene, as many as you want. To add a scene, click this and click add a scene. And edit it as you want. Part 3. More editing tools. In this scene, I will show you more tools for editing. Click elements. And click background. Choose your desired background, or you can search for it here. I will choose this. To add elements, by clicking on design assets. You can choose from here or search for it. And add your elements as you want. To add effects and animation to your elements. Click element. Here you will see effects and animation. To add text to your video, by clicking here. Add your standard text or choose your style here. I will choose this. Edit your text. To add effects and animation to your text, by clicking here.
Part 4.
Add background music and voiceover. To add background music, click the media button and click audio. Add your desired music here. To add, record your voice here or upload your voice here. Alright, part 5. Download your video. After completing editing your video, click here to download it. Choose your video resolution as you want. And click download. That's all. Your video is ready. Let's see how to look at this video.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan and a girl named Lily. They were childhood friends who shared an unbreakable bond.
If you like this video, please like and let me know in the comment box how you like this video. To watch more AI video tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.